Okay, you know what? You know, where's it? My word be loud in here. My word be loud in here. What loud in here? My word be loud in here. My word be loud in here. My word be cat one because my word be some agua. Where's it? What important? Okay, okay, 1 minute, you know. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
When this life of a teen, where they say waiting you know say if person to you go pay you, not to other person.
True.
When about Iranomigo matter just now, I not too much know Iranomigo.
Yeah.
But I dey watch the program as I see they watch your whole program.
Yeah.
You see that woman where they talk there. Not give that woman my number.
Okay.
Before I start waiting I want talk, if I say make I lie for waiting I want talk so waiting I come find for this show. This Jenna Jamie and they may not see him.
Why you say me I not give her your number?
I say me don't give the woman my number.
Why?
You know why? If I wait I won't tell you the reason why. No.
No. Continue. Let's finish our program first before somebody should contribute anything. That's my life. You know, I hate people swearing. I just continue your something. Just little now because everybody know what the reason why we are here. Okay, continue.
So now here my brothers and sisters. So you understand? Like a man no go ya say gwagwapa. No call no call.
Okay, gwagwan.
You this caller, where you call, what I want to do with your number? If person do your papa like this, you talk. Waiting, you come find for this Europe, you not go see him. Okay, you say you want marry woman. Woman where you want marry. I know why you sought you. I don't repent. If not the time when I don't repent, I go use course. All course where you there, those states, say finish you. But the one where there my village.
Wait first. Barak, Osas, I for block you now. But I don't go block you. Why? You not supposed, not be you day here, and I me day here. You're not supposed to ask that question, say why I cut him. If you talk that can't again, I block you. You understand? I don't beg you, may you come watch my program. So you not get right to question me. If not they pay me for what I did do so, I for the happy say, if not question me, even though not cost me, I go to say, okay, now they feed me. But many of you now just they, now they wash, now they say, pa carry on. But the good things we I don't do for dope people. Now still cost me put. Now still they, right, carry on, do this, I beg. I don't want that statement to give you. Measure them, I will block you. I will just block you. If I see any insult here, no insulted an amigo, no insult anybody, but just wash. If you don't want to comment, if you want to comment. Okay, my sister, continue.
So you this corner, where is your score now? Say if you see me for Jamie, what say you go do? If you see person they do your father like that, you talk. Now Grandpa go fall for your head. If you see me face to face, I'm not gonna let you talk.
No course.
Oh, sorry, sir. If I'm not gonna let you, I go beat you. You're not gonna believe your husband and woman fight you like this. If you're wearing a tamakpariam your hole, you bump away your tongue. But tell me the head of the hair. Then they might just say, when Jamie or Sammy or Miami hair me, where you know me. They say, make I cool down. I focus that face, I go scrap her. I don't stop her, make it not do freedom movements. Make it not do people freedom movement, make it not fight. You wait they fight for corruption, you sit down for corruption. If you really know, say you too much, you too good, you go for tie those guests, make them come out. Now his sons, now be this when you bring to us. You go open door for them, say make una go, make una not they pay again. Then me go read no say una be real freedom fighter.
Who bring those two guys? Who bring them?
Now Oziegbe.
Oziegbe and who?
He deceived the junior one, make it put body joiner. Say now only that way go fit survive.
Okay.
They not even tell me. Now when the thing come they happen? Now say, una not tell me. If quarrel come, una come they carry my head, una come they tell me. I'm not here, you stupid man. Sorry, sir. You this boy, this big fool. I'm not here to bring my little sister down. Or rather, come and say, "No, me who I take back." No, Bobby won't want gone.
It's okay, sorry.
Commit me for sitting where I did. Now you say as woman take the color. Wow, idiot.
Bro, can we call our daddy, please?
Yes.
I want to call our daddy so that, please, I want to call the father of Oziegbe Blessing, the one that is with Iranomigo. So he has something to tell the world. Please, everybody, share. I just want you to share. We are not here to insult anybody, but I just want to tell my Iranomigo Edegbe that if we really, that those girls are living there is a big shame. It's a big shame for Iranomigo to tell those girls, go to work. You are freedom fighter. You don't supposed to support all those things. I believe that, yes, Blessing, the reason why Blessing, she don't have any job. And Blessing is getting money from those two girls. That is the reason she's paying her own house. She's using to feed many people that is living there. And then, two, brothers and sisters, we know if in every word, there must be one truth. Or there must be many truths inside. Like this woman, I never know her before. Maybe these are the people who always say, hey, look at Eddie Murphy. Eddie Murphy is not this. Eddie Murphy is not this. Because since when this problem were moving on, nobody informed me. Edegbe himself, Iranomigo Edegbe himself called me and informed me that this is what people are doing. Then I was against this family. Until today, the lady called me by herself and explained her own version to social media president. Well, what I'm against now, Iranomigo, because Iranomigo still confirmed to me that yes, the father paid money, that he wanted to use one of his friends for contract marriage for Blessing. But when he now found out that yes, people are now oppressed Blessing, then what he have to do just to marry Blessing, just to have Blessing as a girlfriend. But presently now, Blessing is the girlfriend to Iranomigo. This is what Iranomigo told me. I don't lie against anybody. But what we are going to do, even though Iranomigo need to have 20 girls, it's not my problem. But Blessing, how old is Blessing?
She's about 23 years now.
23 years. 23 years. That is, you see what this word, 23 years. I know many chiefs does that in Africa because they feel that they have money. But this is still abroad. You cannot, because of paper, marry to old man. You cannot, because of paper, marry to, you understand? So this is the reason, even the father even called me today. So I want to call the father now, please. You want to call with your number or my number?
Okay.
Because I have credit.
Okay. I tell you my credit.
Okay, call. Call now.
Lamogun maintenant il faut qu'on Baba nous la wo buruko so nous ya oya se baba nous ya temi ya fefe no sunu magbon me da me ho me baba me real life na awa bi omo won many time.
Hello Baba. Pardon, ça. Domo. Hello? Yo me collé. Et pardon mon.
Abi na the APC yo no.
Oh, yo me collé. Oh wow. Yeah, you me go yo me collé.
Okay. Hello papa, where home?
Hello?
Hello.
Et pardon mon ça. Domo. Bien, Maria Yossi. Et pardon mon. Domo ça. Koba ma gwegwanya. Gwegwima gwa e no sunu baba. Hello? Guma gwa no sunu. Iyo baba.
Hello baba. Baba mudiagui iho mo tia yo wonu baba. Baba.
Domano we here.
Domano we here. So ni je ni domano we here.
Yeah, no. Baba domano we here.
So ni je ni.
Domano we here wa se nu ye ni baba la.
Wa ta gbon ya dan le.
Wa se nu ye ni. Okay. Okay. here.
Then, and I went. I'm not woman. I'm doing it. More, you know, Bobby, I was. I can't do it. If I want to do I will go. Okay, I don't know what food. I don't know what to do. That's what I do. Come on, what do you do?
Baba, hello, hello, Baba. Hello, Baba, Baba. Maunute inigo yan where de gie inigo na nen where ze no de gie e o mudiane Tanya
inigo gie 1.3 plus
820,000 naira. Okay.
Oh well, again I
220,000.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hello.
Maone Baba Guahion. Maguahion Baba Guahion Maone.
It got 1.3 million. In the place to be 820,000.
Okay.
So I don't know even at the marriage, you never know. Even at the marriage, you never know. Now, what we do is to know what I'm doing. He's money to I remember what I every morning. Only 3 weeks of dinner, I never want to every morning. Then, it is of really good unknown. The message of what the Neruba, over near Zoa, implementing Neruba. Dina. So, we're going to Neruba. And I remember that this made to what over I
Baba, nyame ti gwebe na. Era no mi go ti gwebe na. Okay. Yeah, go on. Baba, what's it, Baba? Maybe Mona or Tony Maga. A meta, Magualo, Nima, what's it, Baba? He said, Baba. He said, yeah.
Baba, wa bogbiyan e ma ya ni wa comment si baba banu wa vision e ri mi ari awere dian banu papa ri gwo ho ya so me koko no pe bo ya sa me ru mi ane ya so ma fi gwo fi isakagbo e ma ya no tawe do ma ni ya binifi ozie gbe e ya ga weri ya bi shi ya e bi de ranomi wo clemente ranomi wo edegbe wo we na baba e na up mania when you admit Hannah, yeah, was what your bots, your boyate brass on to teach one or I need to take a knock by the no worry, go or your son, my knock by Una, when they talk, say, oh, they go believe. When you never see picking, if Papa go just they put now say by the digressors, now say by the digressing people. I'm ashamed of myself, even showing my face. To the world. If not be one of my mama, she done Nigeria now, she dey cool me down. If we could beg, cool your temper, she know me. That boy, when they say they talk, you now say, if he catch me for Jamie, you go see no say now talak pada you jo ass of me. Now Bonana City I said for good 9 years. Ass of me, I go excuse you. You go know some woman the pass man. Now be. What I know they do, I know they feel come talk her. If Oziegbe really know she's a freedom fighter with Clement Eranomi who I dead be. Oziegbe no be shame. When he be a candy from a dead and when he pay. Tell them to go.
Don't worry, I will invite police. Don't worry. Oziegbe have to go for this.
You tell them to go. Oh, what to police? We are detailing.
This is what to go. What I?
When is Hannah?
Oziegbe again.
The way I get the grace now,
I said it.
Hey, also, sir, now did you know what went there as my uncle's daughter? Now she can they enjoy everything. You know that time raining clothes come out, we want buy.
My sister, what is happen? You know, I say na in-law, na in-law will die. Who they say kill him? Who they you want to talk?
I want him now. When he died.
I want to hear that kind of thing.
They could not listen. It's not. He had Omaru Yokutala. May your soul rest in perfect peace. And no girl for Bologna. We love you. We miss you. My yere agbo no yere senior segenwe. Era no mi go Clement, era no mi go Edegbe. We are the open we Edegbe ka family man. We won't be a Korean where he. You come from Ironic Bay. Nothing. What person go fit do you? Unless my father. Now they run for this matter. Now you go free. If not, For even carry my father matter come out for social media. He said, Tabuera Nomigo, you will wait, and the result, you go see Sian. I'm not here to fall you down. I'm not here to bring you down. I'm not here to even bring my junior sister down.
You did Bologna.
Epayajo.
What am I going to do with? Okay.
You didn't hear me so. Viewers, all of una they look. You understand? They say they pay me. Even if you fight free, don't insult anybody. If you can insult Obaseki, then you can say insult your father. If you can insult only Tabaka or Ziegbe, fear not call them and say, I know they go Nigeria because all of us resemble.
When this man died.
What happened when this man died?
It's a lie you talk.
No, what happened?
The dead person they wait you.
What happened when this man talk? If na lie talk, make death of Omoruji, make carry me.
Okay.
Because now she there against with my elder sister.
Okay.
You dey hear me so? She cut down one way Omoruji die. He said now, what did they want do? Make them come, my sister come talk for social media. Say na Tony Kabaka, na Ike Omoruji Okutolo. You don't hear me so? That's how I say, Pam. He not go fit do this thing. If he do this thing, if he sleep, he not go wake up. God forbid. She can never do it since then. This man there against my sister. She could use Oziegbe against my sister. Oziegbe, bless the God that insult his senior sister. Not be small thing for Bologna City. Una we be so that they comment rubbish now. Now if that we be so una take come. The food where they cook or give una. I don't use a laugh una. My father not the British. My father una we be so una the talk truth. Una we be so una no house for Bologna City. Una go no say this family they not be stitching family. If they happy that they want make people when they happy. Nah. And I'm even call a Paddy Murphy. He want Jonah the fight trafficking. I dream. I tell them. Me, now wish now that they call me. Anything what happen like this, I don't see him.
When you call him, what did happen? You
didn't hear me so?
When you call Eddie Murphy, Eddie Murphy come begin to talk.
When I call a president Eddie Murphy, I said they give her a talk. The place where he give. This man not tell our family. He said he don't hear this matter. Now I hold my head. Now come my guy say, and they tell you since then, say, I want to meet this man. You say make I rest.
My family, me they plan to go arrest that papa and the mama. Say they send their daughters into because Eranomigo they saying they protect them, making all they do that thing. But the papa and the sisters, they force them, say make it go do prostitution. So now me say okay, if not that one, me go send my police. Say my immigration women and men, make them go this man, make them go arrest this old man. Supposing me take that action, where an amigo tell me, maybe that man for don't enter prison. And then later when I come hear the truth, then shame will come catch me. Now that they beg me, social media president, may you they hear the facts before you react. Now when still tell me God will bless all of you now. I must hear the facts before I react.
This is the man tell you, I did tell you everything.
Waiting, tell me. I don't first talk him today. He say, social media president. We first greet to me. I plan for people. Say,
I beg, plan for them. I beg.
But he tell me say me I not plan.
I beg.
Plan.
Viewers, please invite friends. Invite. One love will I beg. Make una invite. Era Clement era no me go exactly. I don't change. If now when I never change, I go shop you, I go suck your blood. Now me Fueko, ask of me.
But tomorrow morning I be with you.
I know they fear. Tomorrow morning me they Bologna with you. Now all of us go inside that prison. You don't get where you they go for America.
Because I'll go.
Okay. And I know me go, you don't get where you want to go for America. My father is not against you. We're not there against you. Nobody there against you. Ask me be so. If I come and say I want to help this person. A guy has done stop. Italy is enough regal council. Me your feel your father come and value no. Do what it in your mind. The more you give, the more you receive. I go do it to people.
You are going
Sometimes, if the secret still open, my father go say, oh, we name my pikin.
Hello? 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 Why this? Plan. Because I surprised you now you call me daddy. Okay. Hello? Nigga play. Okay. Okay now. Okay, let me. Okay, I will not play it. Okay, thank you.
Clement,
Because I come on when you play. So, come on when you play. So,
okay, Clement, you say you come from me, Korean one.
Okay now.
Me,
Okay,
John.
It's okay now.
John come from Iguaho, small but mighty, in a small village, just 26 building. You go say not the year. Now you don't brag them. You don't talk, you don't beg. Say me they not digress you. Clement amigo, no kegbe, woman balazi. And 6 feet to was still come when I near you so.
Now waiting they talk. Okay, you don't talk that one. Say make your sister come out. No.
You say you dey fight against corruption.
Hello?
Where you go for free? Those guests where they give us my sister money.
Okay.
It's not be you, they shop that money, they eat for that money.
An amigo, they lie.
Okay.
Now let her play. Then I let her talk because
I want you to play every audio you have. Everything.
okay.
Everything.
Okay.
From A to Z.
Okay.
And number 2, I want put it on speaker and let everybody hear me.
Hello? Hello, I put on for speaker.
Okay.
No speaker
When you listen. Hello?
Yeah.
When you called me today,
Yeah.
you told me they said 2 girls are in this house, right?
Yeah. No, I
Okay.
said
I'm
they
not
said
on air.
yes. They said 2 guests are in the house that every morning you tell them to go outside. Okay.
Go to work.
Go to
My
work.
second, where you winner?
That is
Okay,
what.
who told you that? Who told you that, Eddie Murphy? Who told you
If
that?
you can your time, the mafia deadline. Now maybe sister where they call you, where you know they pick for. Where you know they pick your call.
I need you to play every audio. Everything, play it out.
Okay.
I'm there with you.
And
It's waiting. It's the problem where you can't come for your family. It's not the real thing.
the problem
It don't good for you.
The problem is that this girl, she's not gonna. When you are working with PFM, number 1, you are not gonna be doing nonsense that you are doing.
Shut up! But you are hitting the money.
The money.
You are hitting the money.
Can you let me talk, madam?
You cannot talk. I want to put WhatsApp. We are making a question. We are getting my job. You will see tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm coming to Italy. Maybe what Italy the Huapa.
Yeah.
You are not
You
ashamed.
said you are a honest man. You are a fair man.
Yeah.
Allow me to talk.
But yeah, it's confirmed to be said. He now confirmed that yes, being as the family is against him, they want to take the girl as your own wife.
Okay.
Yeah. Because he's
Shut up!
Yeah.
Wait a minute. Let me speak. I'm on the phone now.
Okay, yeah.
I want you to play everything.
Yeah.
I don't lie. I am a very honest man.
Okay.
You're not an honest man.
If I want to marry 1 million woman, nobody can stop me.
Yes, so you said. Okay.
Listen. Bessie is my PFM member. As of yesterday, I have never said Blessing I will marry her. But the reason why I told her brother, when her brother was telling Blessing all sorts of things, then I told her, do you know if I will marry Blessing tomorrow? Who will marry Blessing tomorrow? And if I want to marry Blessing, nobody will stop me.
You are a liar. 6 feet, you cannot marry her. You are going for 6 feet.
Hold on.
You are going for 6 feet. 6 feet you are going now.
Even listen. Can you let me finish? The problem here now is that, Eddie, I want you to come to Italy tomorrow.
Okay.
I should promise.
Yeah.
I want everybody to come to Italy tomorrow, and I'm in Italy.
Yeah.
I want you all to come. You bring, listen, and you stop laughing. This is not funny. Don't.
Now, yes, say something, sir. Say something, my brother.
This is not funny. This is not funny. At the end of the day, the truth will come out.
Yeah,
At the end of the day, the truth will come out. It will come out. What is laughing at? What are you laughing about?
Okay, now
when you said that,
listen.
It's not lying.
How old is Oshomule?
You are a liar.
You said what?
Timothy is not lying, sir. By the time I pick your call,
nobody said the movie is lying. Nobody said the
if
movie is lying.
you pick my call. You understand? I'm trying to avoid this.
Hold on. Nobody said that the movie is lying. Hold on. The movie to play now.
I'm coming tomorrow. You will kill me and kill my sister or my father. Tomorrow I'm in Bologna City. On your city dementia.
Nobody, I don't fight.
You will kill me. For you to let me.
She's going to be free.
For you to let me show my face. For you to let me show my face.
Why? You, why can't you walk?
Don't worry. I will tell you tomorrow.
Where is your husband?
I will tell you tomorrow. Tomorrow, me ask him where worry. Me bubade.
Where is your husband?
Me
what is
bubade.
the blessing gave you? The money blessing gave you. The money. Why are you people oppressing her?
Blessing gives me
Blessing
money.
is like a crazy woman now.
Blessing gives me money. I
Yes,
give people money.
God bless you from my home. God bless you from my home. Let her come and speak to the world.
For here. I was so bad. I was so bad.
What about the 30,000? 30,000 euro.
Give to
the money
me.
you people are crying that where is the 30,000 euro?
Give to me.
The 30,000 euro blessing gift to your father in August. Where is the PSN money? Jennifer Poe blessing account. Where is the People Freedom Movement money?
You see your life, you are insulting your senior sister. You are a disgrace to your family. You are a big disgrace to your family. Now I will say that you are not responsible. You are insulting your senior sister. You are a disgrace to your father. You are a disgrace to your mother. Never you insult your senior. Never. What is cheaper? What is cheaper? What is cheaper?
No, you're not speaking here. Why did I call you here? Why did I call you?
You don't need to insult. Yes.
Are you fighting human trafficking or not? Are you fighting against prostitution or not?
I'm fighting against human trafficking and prostitution.
Okay, did you tell me that prostitution must be stopped? Yes or no?
Prostitution must stop. I said it.
Okay, what is my offense here?
You said you have 2 guys at home. Call your brother. You have your number of your brother. Call your brother. Please, call your brother. Call your brother.
No, call Calabinero. Call the Calabinero. Call Calabinero right now. Call police to this house now.
Yeah.
Call Calabinero.
Yeah, okay.
Don't wait. Dennis, call Calabinero right now. These people want trouble. Yeah. Call the police to come to this house now.
Okay.
You know what?
Call Calabinero. You have to come to Italy tomorrow because you said they said there are 2 guests here.
Yeah.
Kill you so. For scattering this family.
Forget about that. I will marry and give her paper, so what?
You said you're fighting against corruption.
Corruption.
You are disgrace for this family.
How old is Oshomule? How old is his wife? Is a
you are not ashamed of yourself. You are not ashamed.
I can marry any woman I want. But you are kind of that way.
For you to even let my father never appear.
Talking. So what? If I want to marry how many women I want, so what?
We have a hair. You yourself say better have been okay. And right now, best what of
you people want to kill this girl
it's his father.
She's not bringing the money she used to bring.
It's his people.
And if this girl have any woman, they will not pay 1 penny. They will be free.
Okay. Oh, no problem. I know where they work.
They will be free.
I know
Me myself, I have conducted investigation.
Okay.
Me myself, as I'm speaking to you now, I don't want to say it. Ask our sister. They know where they are. My boys are on the street.
Okay.
Let them
you say the truth. Well, where's the matter?
Let them
say the truth.
Amigo. Why may you not worry?
They already don't bring the other phone.
No, Carabineri. Why tutti ascolta me? Non è così Carabineri. Io devo venire in Italia domani per spiegare tutto. You are fighting against everybody. It's a life. It's zero.
Be suppressing her.
It's zero.
You be running your mouth. You be running your mouth. Blessing the whole money that people donate for PFM was Blessing account in Italy. Ask everybody. Blessing with your father send money to me. That is true.
Hey, Jesus. I said, go back. Where are you? We're born now. And I don't know if you said that do
the
people.
Money belongs to Blessing.
This is the
money that they pay to Blessing's account. Where is it?
This is the end.
Ranamigo, you said something.
Okay,
wait, I don't talk. Ranamigo, you said something before.
Yes.
That the money.
I won't go outside now.
Okay. You said the money the PFM give to Blessing, they pay 500, that'll be 400, banners 500 euro. That they gave it to Blessing, gave it to her sister.
Oh, no, I don't want to involve that lady. Listen.
What so you said? I have it here.
Hold on. Edwin.
Yeah.
Edwin.
Yeah.
That woman, she said she have not done anything to me. I don't want to involve her.
Okay.
That woman is their senior sister. Okay. The money was PFM ticket money.
Yeah.
So our sister now brought 400 for me. It was balance 500, but Blessing gave it to them. So that I don't want to involve her.
But
please, she has not done anything wrong to me.
Blessing didn't send the money to Nigeria, to the father.
No, what is happening that whenever they let me tell you the truth. All those money that the father was saying and the rest, but almost all of the PSM money. When they put money in Blessing account, Blessing will send it to
what is wrong? You cannot run for this.
Every money goes to Blessing account. Go to my Facebook and
check it. Free for this. Ask your first. We're setting on
Blessing.
Hello.
Blessing. No, listen. I want to ask you a question, Blessing. Blessing, listen. Blessing. Uwe Moitanania. Uwe Benuatana. Ige PFM we send the get out. Uwe Doino. Uwe me mopie. Uwe una wonu choge. Uwe be me mopie taverio. Ige PFM we send the get out. Mujane. Oh, we send the get out. Hello. I'm asking.
Hello.
Yes, Ige PFM we send the get out.
Hello, sir. What time are ba iro di tele ugani bero bi o. What ti bero bi erano hello. Why
Mudia, it wait am I when again? Yes, it will be no kind. Yeah, I can hear you. My sister, you know what is happening? Hello. Yes. Hello.
I want to talk to Iranomigo.
Okay, continue.
Iranomigo, hello, now the guy boy.
He did. They talk.
Iranomigo, why they do any affair? What they do? What they do? Hello.
We don't. He don't drop. This thing come like this is like Centro. You see this girl now. This girl Blessing don't have control anymore. Blessing is now fighting the family against the husband, future husband. So what we are trying to do now, if Eranomigo want to marry, but it doesn't need to scatter the family. Because this is like family distrust.
I don't blame the guy. I don't blame that that of me old school, that investor, because women say America, black would say, the black would be America, that is it.
My brother, I don't want to make people they insult him. I don't want to make people they insult him. I don't feel side anybody make they insult him. But let us. May we say. May we say the truth. Not to insult anybody. Sorry. Bye bye. Not they call you can't insult an amigo. I don't want insult. But we just have to say the truth. You understand? Say the truth. Make the devil be ashamed. That is what I'm after.
Oh my, when they hear it no. I was it we want 30,000 re. I said baby they want to me be more cocos egbe. I said we want 30,000 one me boni ya. Ni you say what jaya bob I no say gbe dia. Omo je no yo kutola you no je wewu. Eh na ga bo tu obo. Akwa ga ebe ko. Oriera di she magi soto.
Okay. Ochiano pe no. Oya money.
Oriera di she magi soto. Uji. Azegbepa o. Azegbepa. Hey, ebonoto. Azegbepa.
Hello?
One in Sana.
Hello?
No because he called it was a bomb ati jemi o. Azegbo 30,000. He was like 1 naira. Awu watu wale ni yako. Akishi ye kuluwa kwa. One in Sana. Okay, awu wale leko.
Hello? Hello, my brother. Hello? 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 Hey, my brother, Koyo. That you the same mother one. Okay, that the way causing. If no sooner, my brother, what is really happened is just Eranomigo is trying to scatter this your family, your beautiful family. But with my connection and with my knowledge, I would like to make sure that this family comes together. And then Blessing don't have right to insult the father or the senior sister. You understand? Because according to Blessing, when I called Blessing today, Blessing was swearing that if the father should be like that, that is going to show his father. And that is not a good words to anybody. The father is hold. Oh, yeah. Okay, from Italy, I call. Okay, Italy, yeah. Amigo, the brother was living with this girl
before.
The
two brothers, the last one, the one when I senior.
You just go there to scatter the house.
If you say you will carry the house, give us the pay.
Okay, now you both give her the house.
Now you give her the house and Oyibo documents. Now it day. They even said they want drive Oyibo because another Oyibo give us €40,000.
Okay.
Now tell us why you gonna do that man like that? It's like you want leave the man now sense. Not just leave the man. Now the house where you now forgot the top blaka bianu so. Now that Oyibo carry and give you us the Now she dare guess me oh.
Okay, no worry. No worry. Don't worry. I know what to do. Those guests where Ozegbe bring, and that your brother where they gather money to bring. So we got to look for them.
No, as it don't happen like this. So, amigo, you say me they call carabinieri. Me they call I go tell you I go carry you put for bat and make case. Ask of me. See my face. I know the hard down. I know the hard down, amigo. You hurt our family, you destroy family. I go call my father. He go say it there here. What thing you want go do? Say if you now what did they get? Now they tell the support. He go back on Egile, Oguzo. Everything go back and come. And I'm go for you to put out your stinking dirty mouth. To even talk to my father. Your hand don't finish. You see, you feel from me, if waiting you do son a good thing. If not, all your children go turn against you. All your family go turn against you. Climate and all your family go there against you. You go see no the year. Where you jam us.
Thank you, my sister. Let me come in. Brothers and sisters, anybody, whether like me, anybody who did this live video, I beg, this money of 18, you know, say people can set you up. So for the old man to send 2.170 euro, 70,000 naira, old man go send and put for your account and amigo. Then you are not coming to tell the world that the money is for people freedom. No, amigo, for saying that is a disgrace to the whole world. I'm telling you, it's a big disgrace. You can tell the world that yes, the money belongs to Blessing, but Blessing want to use that money for the Blessing want to use that money. Blessing want to use that money for document. Then people will believe you. But don't ever say that the money belongs to PFM. Because you said it to me first that the money that they give to Blessing. Okay.
Hello, Papa. Hello, Papa. Era no bigo chopon butu Papa. Era no bigo say. Era no bigo where the money you give her. Send her money for freedom movement. Now you set for your account, not your bigger money.
Alright, you know, I want to carry that man.
Okay.
Alright, they don't tie that in your dinner. I want to carry that man. I know, put up your antenna.
I forgot with this one. You did not buy it. I've been to buy what you know. The man know when I go where you know buy it. We run on it. I know it. Because you give money, because you give more phone. Yeah, I'm not getting more phone here. Okay. Yeah, Nigeria and I'm not quite the way with Doyo, not my connect again. Odoyo, for no Odoyo. So, my people, now, why they comment? I don't see for Benin that time, that year when I did house. One of my family brother,
they fight, Osaro. Osaro no keep us, Osaro no fight. Hello, Baba. A presidency, we are here not back yet here. Well, on our gagia. I said, but what 30,000 euro, your moon, well, we are women at the end. I didn't know about it here. Sir? You know, Papa. Okay. Okay. Hello, Baba, my wine and tie, no wine in now. Baba, oh, Fianne, oh, we may have to call you with Dallas, no, by women offered. Mine no be Baba offered. Why, Chiema, Yane Panata, while I will go, but it's no Chimaha, Mane Panata, while I. Hello? Where it's here now? I will need to buy a tea. 2, 3, 4. 5, 7, 7. People should stop calling, please. Call later, please.
We will create 10 minutes. 3 minutes, everybody will call. Please.
That boy went there, Jamie. Respect yourself, oh. Now me if we call. Hey. You are boy for.
Yeah, nice.
You say you don't want to see me for Jamie. I go give you my address, man. You come. I go finish you. If you see that now, you that stupid caller just now when you say that woman, I go finish you.
It's okay.
Hey, my emotion.
Baba, domo sa. Domo Baba. Yon. So, on ya know, on ya. You get 30,000 naira go well.
30,000 euro.
30,000 euro.
Oh, I get that. I get that.
Why not what I told you? Where you get 30,000 euro, no? You get go.
One more key.
Okay. Okay. Igo ni àwọn ya mo le yes.
What are you doing? Now we are party here. A freedom.
Madege.
We are party here. Freedom.
Is you married? Okay. Is you married church? Okay.
Baba. Ẹ̀kọ́ ṣe gbé na fún bàbá. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí mọ́ bàbá tí ẹ bọ́ ní láwòwò oríwọ̀. Ẹ̀rọ̀nàmígò nàmíhọ́ bàbá. Ẹ̀rọ̀nàmígò Clement ẹ̀rọ̀nàmígò ẹ̀dẹ́gbé. Ọ̀wẹ́ nìyẹn torí ó sàgé family náà. Ọ̀hún dùá. No mi o ma fa. Oboye ne boeku. Eti won pe ati won wo. Ora aye me ni fwe kona baba. I only bring a movement in a down. I only when if it journalists in the follow or tell me bo. Eti bo pa nya hi iti memu. I dege matsa inasa. O gie me we de we no se gbe ni mana. Ana mi e no. Era no mi go clametera no mi go adegbe. Ogun ba gun hane. Ofi ai wo fi ai sakagbo. Isa gonna bo we. Lohia hojo ba hojo we. Iho ho no pa bonori gwa ho na bo hia mwako ne reclametera no mi go adegbe. Oyo boya sutu. Owo bi e kori on ye hin. Owo mi ronu gbe. Eyehin. Many for Conabe, Mameta Manawe, or Iguaho, I makere, and yet do come out as and Bobanya, Iguaho, here, we honor Papa here, oh, let me out your bows or whether an amigo. Oh, yes, sadness and ye. And Bob, your honey can it's ye. I was a Bomuga Jamie. I must have been another Muga Jamie was a Vision and my day. Mother Bowa Mother, I was so soon I can't put it on us at my school. I said, Nahi, I don't know my where I get lads and not one republic. In my yes, I said, Boku, Benaya Dollar, Bonjour, Motion of your Kuta, you know, Chevu. Oh, Pama, we. Baby, no share. I take a motion like mom. Oh, and I soon know I can't have a motion. Oh, piano, none of his supplement shall be shut down. Boy. Aga wo hu e ma ya no he ne hewe I ma gyo jarion peto wi opa I ma gyo se peto wi opa then na u no bi ari hu nuwe I mu wa na webo I ju hu gbo fe gba me ina mu wa na webo I ne se webo I ma ne hewe Abiswa ya we ne wese ina we ene be me hena gele hi mo bi wa na webo Eya muwela webo. Ana do ga fight no ya magba he. Many for kona me ki ho na jane boya adoti we brighty. Ozye gbe me na me no. Ana do left wa. Ozye gbe bright. Ozye gbe ri munu. No ya ri sorti me we da for webo. Brighty me then brighty no be no brighty. Me then me kidina we ho am. Bright no rest. Mama work in Nigeria in the year 2008. I care for you and your family. And the grace in that bratty, you will pay for it. Then I will not be a little way. When it's Papa, I saw here I was here, in a boss and Bessie Baba. Oh, do I you defeat the combat, what they speak English, I suffer for you. I prostitution for you to further you. You want a university. I know money when I say, can't give you a snake. Everybody know me. I know they do like this, I know they do Manko. Yes, upon him, Papa. I said, what's upon him? And I'm going to wear, and a cross in if I sleep, and they see what happen. It's not be my mama. It's not be one of my mama, sir.
Where's it, Baba? He said, he said, okay.
Well, I put the in there. I want to have my decay. Well, I didn't tell you, put up your bed. Well, one pound of your bed, I will take part of that. The fact that I will take part of the power. Get the 7 days. Well, here, I will say, if you have one, I want to have my decay. I didn't tell you, I didn't tell you what we done. The time to go out with one way,
Baba, ya gwebo gwa. Wese Baba. Wato. Ise. Okay, Baba, where
I was a professor. Apple had done it. Now,
Baba. Fiaudo. Hello.
Hello, Power Domo.
Yeah, what?
Call,
sister.
Call. Iwa dare yo si. Iwa dare ya te.
I want to say.
Aleru. Nice, mama, get those zago my bed.
The boy, sir.
Manie. Oh, who went or not, seven? Mweko weso to. Yeah, the otoma. Egbe wa balo wena mweko weso to wenge ele ya balo ma iga gwa aji honse e mani budu atawe omana egbe balo egbe omana omeme ga no mweko weso to oga twene kere ni omae na gbokin obyo kan ye no matter the case akwe ukpono de oga gwale erani oga gwale zemie oga ewe opiani ni nye ntawe ona oba na gi o ma pa ni ejime na ka sweat mobia obi oka olowo eti ana ma ekwe ude no mie your way okwe logo oga be fu ereba oga gwaluwa mie baba no tiesi waje baba bie de mune le ya tete wajabi atama udawo edi ma bi sima ya iki o ma ne ihe ijo aho ni ya bie gbo egbegele ya koko ihe iki o ma ne na omodo arobie John omodo arobie la bi se ma to wala gogo wa ya tele ya tete manya a social media president and we just settle down we just conclude right now.
Okay.
Any right no ya glory ke o manye ba oda iye jena de what step for example now who you can over where go bow down na bow down na ya where you pore ya where uwe bari ja kore o ba no be ko yo kan ya on any amani era no mi go mai una no wina we have no or more the whole social workers of being a man or a woman, your money daddy. Any right no ya no ye ko is against the law. Or money man wina no wina. So in your body me na ya pete era no migo free that girl. Free her from your bondage. Era no migo is that bondage no me? Is that bondage no me? Oh ya go to get and so when I'm free, or free of your family will come out and speak her mind. There is no way no ya one sense no ya tene no by now. There is no way no ya testify against an amigo now.
Hello, my
sister.
You
only testify against you when not your
hello.
How testify against the right? How testify against you amigo right now.
Hello, my sister. You know what is listen. You know what is happening now? All the women, the men that doesn't have a house in Italy, they are staying in that blessing house. All the PFL members that maybe they drive in Aduro, they are all of them are there in this blessing house. Blessing is like a woman, big stress. that what is she up to? What I'm up to? It's like I want to kill myself. The brain is hot.
Yes.
You understand? This is what blessing is fighting. Because a Ranomigo cannot go and keep her life and everybody in blessing house.
We are both saying the same thing.
Yeah.
It's Ranomigo.
Because right now, she's the only source of income. She's the only source of income, and she's the only source of accommodation.
Yes.
Ranomigo is having right there.
Yes, yes.
There is no way Ranomigo will let her go. Ranomigo will not let her go because when that girl leaves right now, Ranomigo will lose accommodation and he will lose a very reliable source of income.
That's truth.
So please, don't say you don't have any answer. Wake up, we're so tough. That way that is Sally. It will not do you good.
My sister, forget. Molelegya. All the Tali Molelegya so die. Every parela. All the Tali police man. Here the police there. Molelegya. Forget it, Donny.
What is the age?
No, what we are going to drag out. The two guests, then Ranomigo should leave that family.
That's true.
Ranomigo should leave that family. You understand?
I know sister we say avasi no warriere or one man no. Sister okay. My sister.
Who can take any decision? Who is there that is your career in your mind?
Sister.
The story is what you bring for it. Akotana grote when you or my love because every family made the yaku.
Yeah.
Every affair you want to see no it doesn't say where of you can me. Oh, it's never no fit to wear when I go better okay, Barekia no hell. Jesus. Oh, one of the total now we contribute to the school show. Et then na we Jonathan me o mi odono aore who we be back in your bonus to where
old man.
Yo paponi na uwe waya yenye o ramagi to where o indwe mai to where Mommy 23 years old who send no te bio money can go bio kan ye worry where Sister
hello, sister. I'm sorry to cut you off. Yeah. Ilewebo, Wani Agaje, Republic now, Digress me wa biomo, ibe bioma. No ya yo buck down, jamu my dear. Miami give that sister me. Miami give la webo. Kewe iwo one rateje abedoni ejekete.
Yes.
You want it now. Era me suse. No hema we magi gwo eri ma suse.
Where he explain it. He understand the kakabo.
Osnie no me no gume gwa ba. You understand? And it got show a picture of him Nigeria. Oye mose petty man no ima ya mwe na ke kon ho. Iko ima send ikie. You understand? A human head
right now when Damian in Guana who explain ya pene mahone. Now alternative in the Google because he understand me we bonijena ile teli zime e pa ere kakabo. He so agumeramu ni ko tele no kwa
sister, a bonus sister, no call it ban, other wedding hair. Oh, tell you,
Right now, in the answer get droppy. No matter they call, but just pull your paper and you shout. Please. And you shout. Mami, and we are saying here, we are going to and we are saying home. I ain't going to be ballow, but you would be a ballow when me while you are shout. It's okay. Right now, I have no work money, bless you, and I come out why. Not because you know why they did that. And yeah, why they who I don't know what they have to bless it because you know the best of the right now, a love via far, a move, in your boy. So right now, almost that's it separate. So we're getting shocked, we're worried. But if you in your power, 0 year to a day, then you're not. If I'm making how I raise, don't allow it to work. Dimeno, ugabia kwa le maba le pae orewa. Uwe e pae bo osenede no kwa hadwe makana de do. Sorry we mwene bore. Era no migo awi e wegbe. Waya mwe de pae bo. E no pake ka o ke ka o kie aga glemira ma ta era no migo tasu. Om yo gogo. E o go ke no. Aulula ya mora no migo arieto amuke pa bo no sere ehe mo kama ole no pe pa bo kweme you are the Port America number and Benin number I will give it to you we will handle this matter for you people so I no migo from nowhere
my sister then the matter now me do show festival he said no ma Joshua ne ra me bijeme gwa ju wood me so yeah, one day over no my colleague, maybe here what type of bag is your body. I tell no man, oh, I will be there. Uga wish your bow with me, your bow. My son, sister, or I live there. Hey, rather with for a call. Who may be a can man have a back by Ori. He had not an running with Baba, Manatama, where you look to look well, Manaka with your bow, man. Why you supporting me? Maybe I gear. Oh, she may have sent you on never here in this school. It was not said, very man, okay, does Nimejena, a does school to let the language Asia. Never why you are holding major school or major school. You will why hair school, the man job will want me. I don't share. You have a fear for Nega gear. When it's oh, when the men tell Papa now, Papa, you have 200,000 women, the area no man. He always be no go away. You can't be a go away. I always say, I'm miserable. Era me de botan de jo. Just say, Romo no suku kaya no. Era no me go get stay. Say they no stay now.
Yeah. Right now, you understand there no time. Boy, you have to we want to see back. I understand. Era no me go see where you ma shake. Who went to we rock back. That you got more here, and then Atana is the simple, easy case. And I'm a migo, or I will feel it or time now. Where a yoje, your hogo. Well, yoje, Isha. Oh, Henry Canana.
My sister.
You waking, I'm making a I want your demo. You your demo when I
whoop Mono, give me a kuno, and he came in here. Don't dig in there, Maki, and I am a man. Oh, ja, I see me a woman. Oh, ja, I see a woman. And Keke, I went Panya, you know, he wrote tag bomb. I can't say the word for the
hello, what of Agbon? And no Chadina, Osalobua or Hatten Wemu. Osalobua to Wemune, or you return with Mukia. You look by where Agbon Viati Canule ye. Understanding now. A Babano Kwan to Attorney Maga. A blessing at all or Akbabmo. Iranomigo, La Wo, about my little way. And when I had to matter for Vena. Iranomigo, Dameo, oh, Ban Wata. No so no man. Nimana do women where one or so you but Nimana do women where Iranomigo. For saying where EG PFN. I send you old money like the one of the Achiebo. Mama, may never blessing on my Jaguar because the blessing here is wrong.
Maria one a
yoni. So, Nanomigo, La will I will gina, Bebe Polo Bene on a Katamawe. Don't ever say it. Hey, get the word here. It's what they are having on it. Who will bear. People Freedom Movement. Who are this year? All your members. I'm telling you. We get it away a blessing. You get Freedom Movement. On us and they get no account. Never. Never in life. My understanding now. You go to wait time me one way 900 gano. Way or the 400 reward on your 20 who. Or work at 500. Or 500 no we ain't got it. Only get People Freedom Movement. No we ain't no chill no who. Then you go no another way here. You go to Guayari Bene. No Guayari e Bene. No Guayari London or a school. I want to never be able to see London a school. And then we go. Where she ever been on work, a talent government to the Benoma. A gata video. Oh, we where do are the Benoma, America affair, a black law, why fight any maybe. It must show America for good 9 years, 7 years, 20 years, maybe. It's okay for straight, Walao, why my deceived woman. Why because I can now do a one who to tie a bed. Imagine because it make a seven who to tie a bed. May it whenever blessing will go all of you. Look by my phone, blessing. Don't regulate none of your honey. Wawa bed video. If I don't want to go, then we are born. I did a motion team where in another sunune. So, but it's not my problem. A problem.
If I am not papa, sorry, I'm not papa. He has again not papa. I don't give us a walk because I don't because I'm not deliver. No matter all here, all here cut because I was aware I was that with you. The city just on a way or that way, you worry. And that bother, little and I'm go off one name, a Bema on where here, where you are here, where you also started Benny. Oh, how well, a city just on one attack. Okay.
Okay.
When the city just on deliver, that was your first, the first one to know my anyway. Where you say anywhere or however, where right now, on how one is again, night therefore. Why? Why the woman left with Tibi Joshua? They don't want to Joshua deliver if he was, he had 3 children. Some people bless you what they know what there. For how many years you have been in America? Where I can go, where Mammy not to live America. Who will not be possible. Mammy, my God. Just because of a euro, he get poor. And I'm a amigo, he get poor. Every year.
Sister, we are sorry to cut you off. Sister, we are sorry to cut you off. But America Day. I know Sister Egui. But America Day. I say, but the ticket in no yare. I give you a pound. I say, but the ticket in a way. Baba, in a wugbe. That's what time and bena. Is a que. Who got a TMO so
okay, away your ticket in any yard. You know
who the TMA? Now investigate. I'm handling with Ben and our Baba. In a walls is 2 weeks in Nigeria. You know, make it deal one. I supposed to be near over the last week. I never Baba make it day. You know, Baba, even if we are not doing and then our Baba or my ear Felix way. And there's school now, no work, but go away. Or you wear the Lizzie money. Oh, where me? I say, but what sister? Me bolo wa the do. Not your bolo, not ba bolo. Ye warieko. In a way, West Sutton, my yaka we bode. No need for hotel.
Yeah.
I'm a gira me no rieko. And I'm a minute no tone, no de. And make it surprise.
The blessing.
Only the blessing. They make it surprise. You should cut your very neck, but one way you feel with the air. As you be calling, now you go in a baba. What man, you know what? I mean, you find me who let you one. It matter, you know, for that or who want one woman. Make it in Nigeria. When it's an unsent, but not to a mother, both so.
Well, you can't drop me, no one. Right now, I'm amigo, no way, I do one with my sister.
Sister, what's the I'm
telling you, You can need the no bebo. I will provide you.
Test
give you. And about it.
Because the man said that behind that one woman let me tell you I'm worried. All woman let bele
oh, we what your ball now. Yeah, ball, I go no from America.
Hello. 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 Hello.
Let me go ahead and talk. Let me quickly check for this audio. Maybe I will get this audio. I am going to do a video as soon as I arrive in the United States. Yeah, I have all evidence. Every evidence, everything I did. When Blessing was speaking with his father, she permitted me. Everything he said they gave me 100 million. Okay, so what? I don't care. They said they gave me 20 million. So what?
Yeah. Obija bie. Oh. Sabwa, ejeme you e bia modan ere awe. Well, Salobano is not straight, no change. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yeah.
Hello, Mr. President.
Eh, what?
Wabota, if na me wale racing.
Yeah.
So, all you to now you to why you are manage manomane no why we be. We are here for na ubi Saturday and Domingo because Domingo here now we watching but we move one. What a party.
When of you be like
we move one.
When of you be like Damio.
Damio, you have your proof in that. Yeah, for PFM. Yeah, for PFM.
Damio. Bye bye. Bye bye. Oh, and again, oh, you move one. Where you bless it, we're not do Vembo, yo. Go I get Vembo.
And then that's why we
Saloboa. Hey.
Yeah, this so amusing.
Hello. Hello.
Well, we're concentrating we have for government.
Mudia.
Hello, Ekona no call it down.
Ekona no call now.
When Ekona no call it now. Boss egbedi ya mowa. Eki boss egbedi ya mowa ni.
Anakote matana. We or ye be more. Other than when they have been so much, but no time. Okay, for you.
My 5 or Monisha the beer or a Bologna.
Okay.
Are we on a Benny or Zegbe Mowa? E bono lele no muya yo muya re vigilio. E ba me carry Bologna. O one no Zegbe mu, e bo gualo one no Zegbe. Then the People Freedom Movement, they must not get so
okay, what my pen not Wago, Wadamo, Evo, or we are more wagon there. If people if you don't tell one, where I done where I ask them what because you might take pay, work by my hand. Right, yeah. Wait, Mama, I want to wait for what?
You should stop calling.
Yeah, walking.
You should stop calling, please. I remember Walaha. When I go back doji. Waga call for dinner. No pay the records in my one. No, ose ya fefero Bologna City. When I am over, yara matato bo. Waga he call you. Waga gelega to was in your second bar. Waga gelega to was fight for freedom movement. You supposed to stop calling now. You supposed to listen. This thing where amigo they do, all of una they support her. If you do not like that, like this, una go like her. Una go like her, one like her. Oga uwae. One like her. Obi oha kere. Edi waki wari eho. Obi eho na. Omadama. Obi ya bagbo ya oge. Obi ya bema ya oge. Oga suwa ya egbe o. Oga suwa egbe. Una we not they talk truth for the matter na where they bend now. Igorishuna body o. People should stop calling for dinner, please. Stop calling.
Hey, call man. I worry about blocking. We pay. Because still we pay.
Because we beg you.
Hey, Tie, what are you now? Wait, Tie.
Hello. Hey, amigo.
What are you?
Me no idea.
What are you now? Me no corner. You say na amigo, say na abeg.
Information you know.
You both be this way. There is no one not on about the come.
We bless you. Can be picture the guest to me. I want to be near what Pania. Yeah, she go kirene. That's near or any good near Asa, near Sayo. Then I do get dress a blessing go, eh? Then I will okay, you go to watch with a mamma. You are there.
Oh,
you stop calling. You should listen.
Oh, what can you verify the Diana Kilewa?
You should stop calling.
Yes, sir.
The panel, yet, babe. Una no one made the city to a group of Kinala. Make una not they call again. If una want me, I must say no fault.
We're blocking the call here.
Sorry.
Yeah, to send you WhatsApp. They will send you WhatsApp on any pay. Hello? Hello?
Yeah, God bless you, my dear brother.
God bless you.
God bless you, may the peace of the Lord be with you.
Thank you.
Yeah, I really want to speak English, and I want everybody to understand what I'm going to talk about for the contribution I have for this matter.
Okay.
I've been listening things, and I heard a lot of things. I beg, can you tell this lady to just quiet for a while?
Okay.
Please, madam, I know you are not happy, but I want you to just calm down your mind.
Okay, sir.
This is a public.
I will do that,
it's the
sir.
world that is listening to you.
Okay, sir, we do
and
that.
Beside that, this is a family issue.
That's true.
The whole world is listening to your family issue right now.
Okay, sir.
So let everybody behave as a mature human.
Okay.
I'm calling from France.
Thank you, sir.
I'm not that kind of a person that used to take a phone across social media because of one thing and the other. I'm a counseling person. I can counsel anything.
Thank you, sir.
I don't have money on phone. I went out to go and bought a card, 10 euro card.
Thank you.
To make sure I contribute for this matter.
Thank you, sir.
Right now, Eronomingo is on the line.
Yeah.
And I'm still going to call him. Mr. Social Media President.
Yeah.
God bless you for your job that you are doing.
Thank you, sir.
Madam, you and your family, may God bless you and may the peace of the Lord be with you.
Amen, sir. Amen.
I pray for everybody.
Thank you.
I want to make you to understand one thing. This matter, I heard when your father was talking. I heard when Ranamigo was talking. Mr. President,
Yes.
when Ranamigo was speaking out, I was waiting for you to tell this woman to calm down so that Ranamigo will explain everything. Then when he talk, then you will see what your reply, you will see your reply that you will give to him. And there was something like F9 here. Then I keep listening. Calling the father of the foundation of the family, not that you did not do it well, but you just want to know the truth of everything. And another thing again, madam, for your younger one to insult you on phone, okay. I did not support it.
Thank you,
it's
sir.
not a good thing.
Okay.
But she will not be happy because the family matter comes to a public for everybody to be listening. To me, I am sorry if I use this word. We don't know each other. You don't know me, I don't know you. But there is nothing but by the truth. It is not advisable to carry a family matter in a public like this. This is the world. It is not just only France or Europe. It is the whole world.
Okay,
both Ghana, Senegal, everybody who understands English of Benin, they are all listening to this matter.
I know, sir.
God bless you for that.
Sir,
Mr. Man,